All right. So here's the thing. I always tell people this all the time. Either you want to be clean and sober or you don't. If you don't, then there are only two options what your future is going to be. Your future is going to be in and out of jail or in and out of somebody's prison, or either somebody's going to end up identifying your body, but it doesn't turn out well. You understand? All right. Court is calling 2024 CR 008543 State versus Araceli Robles. Can I have parties announced?
Raymond Martinez Robles.
And are you Araceli Robles?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client? Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Is there an application?
No, Judge.
All right. Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, we move to proceed on the lesser included offense of possession of substance AG1 less than 1 gram.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the less included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you were giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Judge.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense? Ms. Robles, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense, possession of a controlled substance, less than 1 gram. They're asking, all right. Oh, just one moment. Did you understand that according to the plea bargain agreement, your punishment is to be assessed at 3 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, and there are no applications. Did you understand? Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Judge. Yes.
All right, and they're also taking in consideration 2024 CR 008544. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, of any such motion?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No comment.
State, any evidence to support the plea?
No objection.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
If you're finding this story captivating,
make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gripping true crime content. Your support means a lot. Thank you.
All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, part of the reason you got entered into this arrangement is that as part of her pretrial and her probation, she's currently on probation in your court.
Mhm.
She went to the Lifetime Recovery, the HOPE program. She's completed that and has a certificate. And I think we can all assume that she's been testing clean all this time, as we have not had violation reports suggesting otherwise.
Mhm.
So we anticipate, if I can speak for the state, that we're going to jointly ask the court to continue her on probation in addition to the sanction of the conviction.
All right. And I'm assuming you've learned something from this? All right. So here's the thing. I always tell people this all the time. Either you want to be clean and sober or you don't. If you don't, then there are only two options what your future is going to be. Your future is going to be in and out of jail or in and out of somebody's prison, or either somebody's going to end up identifying your body, but it doesn't turn out well. You understand? All right. The court will find you guilty, sentence you to 3 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, give you credit for any time served. Taking into consideration 2024 CR 008544, and the court will show that the judgment is satisfied. Is there anything else?
Well, I don't know if you need to deal with the probation case or not.
Are you all withdrawing?
Continued prior to because of her successful participation in
Okay. And I'm hoping the other suspect one that's in this, you're not having contact with them? All right. Because they mean you no good. All right. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you will need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. Continue. Keep up with the good work, okay? All right, you're welcome.
Thank you for joining us in uncovering the chilling details of this case. If this story has left you disturbed or reflective, please share your thoughts and reflections. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay with us as we continue to explore the stories that reveal the darkest sides of human behavior. Together, we keep these lessons alive, ensuring the voices of victims are never forgotten. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe or follow.